Hello YouTube and welcome to my next Blender Game Engine Python scripting tutorial. And now I'm gonna teach you how to better manage these functions. After time, if you create a lot of things here in this script, it may fulfill full of functions down there. Then it would be hard to look through, and actually it would be slower because it actually have to check a lot of code here, even if it's not executed. As far as I know, it's still a bit checked to make sure that there is nothing in middle errors or something. I don't know, whatever. And here's a way how you can actually manage it better. You can make several scripts and import them like this module, and then you'll have better management over them. You know, for example, that you have to look for key hit and key down functions inside of input script whenever you want to check for them how they're executed, or edit them, add something. For example, cast here an if statement to check if something is blah 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 and so on. And yeah, that's the thing. And what we're gonna do now is add some scripts just to tell you how to better manage. I'm gonna add new script and call this one input.py. This is gonna be where I store key down and key hit, and like later some other functions as well. I'm gonna copy them and paste them here. Yes, all down. Now, actually I'm gonna make it lowercase. All the importable modules for me will be lowercase, just for even better management. I'm gonna clear those functions from here to make sure to test that it really works, and I'm gonna call it import input. I'm gonna check if it is working as expected. No errors. Okay, and now I'm gonna check it. If input dot key down events dot wiki key on dot apply force 0.0 0.0 50.0 true. Let's make it fly. Yes, I must import it now in there from BGA import logic and keyboard. I don't need keyboard here anymore. Now when I run it, what it says now, I'm gonna set it to 500. See, yeah, it works, as you can see, but we stored it elsewhere, and we know that we can look for this code in else place. And now I'm gonna place this in another code called, oh no, what could we call it? We'll call it misc.py, where we'll have some more complex and specific task codes. For example, this count close objects. It's not basic code, it's some kind of specific task, very oriented, very specific. So we have it here. We delete it from here now. We import mist. Now we are gonna set owned items around the property here, which I'm debugging. Equals mist.count close objects, and I'm gonna check quickly object property distance. Okay. Own p on 5. Now when I run it at 0 and right, misspell it. Okay, now it doesn't throw error. Now let's check. I'll add a little cube and add p property to it, and it returns 1. And this is a simple way to better manage scripts. I'm gonna use it for next tutorial. And yeah, so now we have placed all the functions in each in its own script where it belongs. This is for input, this is for miscellaneous, and here we have just our main basic script which execute. This is good for management because it's then easier to look through code. When we had just those 3 functions and main function, it isn't that important. But once we would have like 50 functions or 10,000 functions or whatever, you would have scroll. It would be horrible. So in this case, we can just we have like systematics. We have branches, sub branches, and it's easier. Like this is the full code base. All that you can see, those 3 are branches, and then each function is like sub branch, and it is easier for management if you know what thing does what. Then you can easily manage them from names, because you know keyboard is is input. You know this is advanced thing that you would probably place here in miscellaneous. If you had something like function that interpolates between 2 objects or multiplies 2 vectors, you would probably place it in math section, and so on. So this is how you easily manage scripts, modules, and place them all in their own position for better file management. Okay, thanks for watching. This was a short tutorial, but I hope that it was useful for you, and see you next time. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and comment if you have anything to ask or tell. Thank you for watching.